Hello, my name is Teresa Hotze at Patriot Group, where we offer digital business solutions. Today I'm going to show you how to recycle your old Lanier, Ricoh, and Savin toner cartridges. We'll start on Patriot Group's website, which is linked in the description box of this video. In the top menu bar, select the recycling button, which will take us to our recycling page. You can scroll down this page to find this video linked right here in case you need a refresher. We also have the steps written out in case that's how you prefer it. Right now, you can just select the Go to Ricoh's Recycling Page option, which will take us to Ricoh's Product Stewardship and Recycling page. We're going to scroll down until we see the prepaid shipping label button. Click on that and it will take you to a UPS page where you will confirm that you are not a robot. After this, you'll be able to enter your company's or personal shipping information right here, and then you'll need to enter the estimated weight in whole pounds of your toner cartridge. Next, you'll need your EDP code. Here are a couple of examples of where you might find your EDP code. It can be on the toner box, and it can also be found on some toner cartridges themselves. After you have that, add the EDP code, go to process shipment, and then you will go forward to print your label. After you print your label, you simply need to package up your empty cartridges, attach the label, and take it to your local UPS store. Thank you for joining our efforts to make our business solutions a little more sustainable. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at info@patriotgroup.com. We'd be happy to help.